In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a WordPress database repair error. If you've ever encountered a database repair error while managing your WordPress site, you know it can be a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, this process is simpler than it sounds, and today I'll guide you through each step to help you resolve the issue quickly and effectively. Let's start by accessing MyAdmin, which is the tool you'll use to manage your WordPress database. To do this, first log into your hosting account's cPanel or dashboard. Most hosting providers give you access to cPanel or a similar interface that allows you to manage various aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find the link for MyAdmin. This tool provides a web interface for browsing and managing your MySQL databases, which is where all your WordPress data is stored. Now that you're in MyAdmin, the next thing you'll need to do is select your database. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of databases associated with your hosting account. These may have names that look complex or aren't easy to remember at first glance. Look for the one that corresponds with your WordPress site. Often, it's named similarly to your site's title or domain name. Once you find it, click on the name of the database. This action will open up a list of all the tables within that particular database. With the correct database tables in view, you're ready to check and repair them. Scroll down to the bottom of the table list where you'll find a checkbox labeled Check All. By clicking this checkbox, you're able to select all the tables at once, which is much more convenient than selecting them individually. This feature comes in handy when there are multiple tables that need to be repaired. Next to the Check All box is a drop-down menu. Click on it and select the Repair Table option. This tells MyAdmin to run a repair query on each of the tables you've selected. What this essentially does is attempt to fix any corruption issues within your database tables. Once the repair process starts, MyAdmin will display the status for each table. You'll want to see a green OK message next to each table name, as this indicates that the repair was successful. If you see this message, then congratulations. The repair process has worked and your database should now be functioning normally again. And that's it. I hope this walkthrough helped clear away some of the confusion surrounding WordPress database repair errors. Remember, maintaining a healthy database is crucial for your site's performance, so taking these steps whenever needed will help keep your site running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy blogging!